All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So, like I said yesterday, went to this new school today and doing the same thing that I have been doing for the last 3 weeks, which is making up these HVAC fan power boxes, whatever you want to call them, the little control box for these HVAC units. Pretty much the same exact thing that I've been doing the last 3 weeks or the first week, but they're all pretty much the same. But I'll show you a picture of that here in a second. So just went around and did 4 of these today. Left a little bit early, so that was nice. Just worked 7 hours instead of 9 to 10 hours. You guys already know that I've been working shorter hours recently, so I've been really happy about that. 4 10s is not enjoyable, but like 4 9s or whatnot, just kind of adjusting my hours depending on how I feel is really awesome. So I'm super thankful for that I can just work 8 hours or 9 hours if I want to. So I did 8 hours on Monday, 2 9-hour days, and then a 7-hour day today. So anyways, this was the last unit that I finished at the end of the day, and I was just like, I'm ready to go home. But anyways, there was a little chase here on the right side that I ran the DAT wire in to the next room, so I didn't have to drill a hole through the wall, so that was nice. And I will show you here the DAT box, as always, plus I did a few sticky backs on the vent to hold the wire up. So there's the DAT box. It has a little probe inside with a few wires. Tie those wires together with the DAT wire that I ran in there, and then just a few sticky backs. And then this is actually messed up today. So I actually was calling someone out yesterday, so it was pretty funny that I messed up today. I wired one of my first Cat 5s backwards today somehow. I just had to start over again and redo it once I put the tester on it. So that was embarrassing. So I now joined the messed up Cat 5 club. So here is the controller. This is from the last job site, but it's pretty much the same exact controller. The only thing that's really different is there's smaller tubes to plug in, which is super annoying. These tubes were super easy to put in, the red and blue ones, and the little shaft is a little bit different. And then I don't have to set the parameters, just put the clamp center, and then the thing sideways, left and right, the arrows. And here is a few of the blueprints that I've been working with. This is for the Cat 5, so it shows the unit number in the hallway, and then where the other end of it is at, which is basically just in the classroom that it's going to be used for. And this is the power diagram, and then there's also a backnet diagram, which couldn't really find but didn't really need it. And then this is one of the cool colored walls that they have at the school that might look cool in my house for a new wall color, maybe behind my computer, but you never know. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks so much. As always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed. Check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Had a really good day today, super chill. Just working with my other 2 coworkers at the job site, and then the foreman came by every once in a while, bring us parts and stuff. So all 3 of us were just kind of working side by side to work on these HVAC units. So that's about it. I had a really good day. The building was perfect temperature. Let's go, finally. So got the not too hot, not too cold, just right. Had some of the doors open and stuff. It was great. I was so happy about it. And yeah, just plugging away on these HVAC units. So going to be doing that until they're done. There's a upstairs in the building. The last building I was at, it was 3 stories. This one is 2 stories. So I don't know how many units there are to make up, but we're going to be doing it until we're done. So I'd assume at least 2 to 4 more days, but I'll be back there on Monday. So anyways, hope you guys have a great weekend. I know it's only Thursday, but for me it's the weekend. So sorry, not sorry. So some days it just feels like it wasn't even a whole week. Some days it feels really short because it kind of was, but some days it's just like really long, and some days it's like you didn't even feel like you worked. So it's really nice. So anyways, hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to try to get you guys some actual videos of not boring stuff because I've been doing the same thing for so long. I'll try to get you guys some more electrical 101 videos, teach you guys some more stuff. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much. As always, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. And last but not least, congrats to Mad Electrician for finally passing me in subscribers. He has been getting so many subscribers recently, like every day he gets twice as many as me. So congrats, bro. I appreciate what? I don't appreciate it, actually. Congrats. I'm never going to be able to catch up unless there's like some miracle of God. But you just keep on trucking, bro, and I'll hold up the rear. Congrats. And let me know how 7,000 feels when you get there. Peace.